Hello, traders, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, June 29th, 2025, we're taking a look at XAUUSD, gold, analyzing the news and price action to identify potential trading opportunities. Recent news indicates a consolidation around the $3,270 level due to a strengthening U.S. dollar. Easing geopolitical tensions, persistent inflation, and weakened China's economy could reduce gold demand, according to recent analysis. A hawkish Federal Reserve stance could also pressure prices. Conversely, continued global policy easing or escalating geopolitical conflicts could boost safe haven flows into gold, supporting its price. Now, let's delve into the charts. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a significant period of consolidation after a notable rally earlier in the year. Gold reached a 52-week high of $3,458, but it has since corrected. We can see gold's price is currently hovering around $2,324. This could potentially act as a short-term support level if the price continues to decline. If it breaks through, we will likely see it dip to the next area of support around $2,300. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart, we observe a more detailed picture of the recent price fluctuations. Here, we're observing a more narrow range between $3,320 and $3,330. The consolidation pattern on the daily chart becomes more apparent on this shorter time frame. Pay close attention to the intraday support and resistance levels. According to recent analysis, a break below the 200-period SMA on the 4-hour chart could trigger a bearish move towards $3,245. Resistance is seen at $3,324 to $3,325, but a move above $3,370 could lead to a retest of $3,400. This could represent a short-term long opportunity if it can break out. Let's focus on candles between June 9th and June 12th, 2025. We can see some areas of support around the $3,320 range and resistance around the $3,370 range. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can further pinpoint short-term support and resistance levels. The immediate support seems to be forming around $3,322, while resistance is around $3,330. A break of either level could signal a short-term trade opportunity. Watch for candlestick patterns like dojis or engulfing patterns near these key levels for confirmation. In summary, key price levels to watch are $2,300, $2,324, $3,320, and $3,370. The near-term outlook is neutral, dependent on breaking the $3,320 to $3,330 range seen on the hourly chart. A confirmed break below $3,200 could trigger a deeper correction. If geopolitical tensions were to heighten, a move towards the $3,400 level becomes more probable. Also, if we continue to see weak economic data, that would likely reinforce the likelihood of gold going up as well.